We talk a lot about AI as a toy, but what if we used it as a tool to solve the most basic problems of being human? Foundation 1, water. 2 billion people lack safe water access. We can use AI to analyze terrain and predict groundwater, or find the most efficient way to filter what we have. Foundation 2, food. Inequality is often just a lack of data. One prompt can turn a struggling backyard into a hyperlocal, nutrient dense farm plan tailored to your specific soil. Foundation 3, shelter. Everyone needs a safe place to sleep. AI helps us design low cost, climate resilient homes using the materials already under our feet, like bamboo or earth. Foundation 4, healthcare. This is the bridge. We need science backed medicine, with the world's best medical knowledge translated for the person on the ground. But every query has a cost in water and energy. To reduce inequality, we have to be responsible. We use green prompting, one high leverage query instead of 100 random ones. I've built a humanities scorecard for this portal. Over the next 4 videos, I'm going to give you the exact master prompts to tackle each one of these foundations yourself. The tech is here, the data is here. Now let's use it to actually move the needle. Subscribe to catch the master prompts. Let's get to work.